来to chia Penang mamak mi goreng. Today I'll show you very simple. I'm just going to use few ingredients, but the main secret is in making your own mamak paste. I have the hokkien noodle, bean sprout, shallots, garlic, tofu, 2 types of tofu, firm tofu and a puff tofu, 1 tomato, 1 potato, which I have already cooked in water and it's nice and soft. I have a potato already cooked, a little bit fresh lime. This is a light and dark soy, dried shrimps soaked in water. Now this right here is going to be used to make the mamak paste. There's not enough oil. Gonna add more oil. Gonna add some water. Not gonna waste. Don't waste the paste. Fry the paste until it's fragrant and aromatic. Add in the sugar. So that is about 4 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'm gonna add in the ground peanuts. And this is the tamarind, squeezing it, and I'm just gonna pouring. I can smell it, smells very nice. Adding some the water. If you want a shortcut, you can always use chili sauce and tomato ketchup Malaysian curry powder, but I believe the street stalls, mamak mee goreng, the very good one, they would have done their own mamak paste. Gonna add more water. I'm gonna have a taste to see if it needs some salt or sugar. Now it needs to be a little bit sweet, and it needs to have that beautiful, fragrant, aromatic flavor from the dried shrimps and the nutty flavor from the peanuts. Wow, it's very nice. I don't need to add any salt, so you have to adjust it according to your own taste. Right, I'm gonna use the same wok and I'm gonna start frying and make my mee goreng. So this is a stir-fry hokkien noodle. It is not a Chinese street food, it is an Indian Muslim street food. Now next I'm gonna add the potato and the tomato. I have two types of tofu, half tofu and the firm tofu. Next is to add the mamak sauce. I'm gonna add 2-3 tablespoons. The noodles. Mamak refers to Indian Muslim. Mee refers to Hokkien noodle or yellow noodle. And goreng is a Malay word referring to stir fry. So this is a stir fry Hokkien noodle. It is not a Chinese street food. It is an Indian Muslim street food. Gonna create a well in here. More oil. Then I'm going to add an egg. Bean sprout. And light and dark soy sauce. This is 1 tablespoon. That's it, I'm turning off the heat and I'm gonna remove this and plate it. It's that simple. Some of the chilies which I have reserved, the lime and some dried shallots. I hope you enjoyed today's video. My own home version of a Penang street food very famous in Malaysia is called mamak goreng, stir-fried Hokkien noodle, but it is the Indian Muslim style street food. Now, if you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. My name is Victor Q. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.